This is Home Buying Basics, where we attempt to simplify the mortgage process of buying a home. I'm Azubuike with Edge Home Finance, and on this video, I'm going to attempt to answer the question, why? Why do you get so many calls after having your credit ran? Makes no sense. Why would the lender send all my contact information to a whole bunch of telemarketers just to blow me up when he's trying to sell me on the mortgage or whatever credit service you're looking for? Well, I'm going to attempt to answer that question on this video, so go ahead and like it right now because it's going to be good information. And you know what? If it's not good information at the end, you can always take it back. I ain't going to be offended. So the question is, why am I getting so many telemarketer calls? I just had my credit ran by my lender, one person who I gave my contact information to, one company who I gave my contact information to, and all of a sudden, my phone's getting blown up, right? And you're like, did I ask if I needed you to call? And outside of the lender you gave your information to, no, you didn't ask anyone to call you, right? So why are you getting blown up? This is not cool. You're getting a whole bunch of them too. It's getting annoying. But did you know that you gave your information to them? You didn't do it directly, but you kind of did it indirectly. And here's how. So when you get your credit ran, there's three players in the game. All right, I'm going to break it down to you. There's three players. One is the lender. Okay, that's someone like me, a mortgage loan officer who wants to get your information to be able to see if I can help you get a home loan. The second player is the credit department. So let's say you're working with me. I've got a credit department that I've hired to actually process the credit report for me. And the third player is the bureaus. All right, the bureaus, we all know about the bureaus, right? Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, that's it. I don't know why my mind went blank there for some reason. So you got to remember something about all three of these players, all right? Each of these players are in the business to make money. Don't be fooled. Just don't be fooled. So if they're in the business to make money, how do they make money? Well, let's go through them. The lender, someone like me, a loan officer, I make money by providing a home loan, right? You close a home loan, I get commission. The credit department, how do they make money? Well, I've hired them. And typically they charge me $37 a credit report. So they work with a lot of lenders that do the same thing and they make money that way. How do the bureaus make money? You ever asked yourself that? I'm gonna give away the secret. They sell your information. What? You kidding me, Zo? Nah, man, that ain't right. That ain't right. That ain't right. That just ain't right. Nah. Yes, they sell your information. I know it kind of feels wrong, doesn't it? It feels like you've been violated because they didn't get your permission to do it, but they do it anyway. And believe it or not, there's no rules to actually stop them from doing it. But you know, if you're in the business to make money, the bureaus are kind of like, hey guys, I want to make money too. Okay, so if that's the way they make money, how do they make money? Well, when they sell your information, they're selling it to other lenders, other creditors, other people that might find your information helpful to their business if they were able to sell you on whatever it is they're selling. So when a bureau gets a credit run, they see what type of inquiry it is. And they have a whole bunch of people that's assigned to a certain type of inquiry to get a lead if they pay the bureaus enough money to get it. That's how they sell your information. That's a lot to take in, right? Let's all recover from that shocking news. So, how do you slow down those phone calls after you get your credit ran? Or how do you maybe even keep it from happening? Well, a couple options. Number one, you can go to what's called optoutprescreen.com. And this information will get submitted to the bureaus and basically inform them that you don't want your information sold. Sometimes it works. Sometimes it doesn't. The second thing that you can do is you can avoid putting your phone number in the application until after your credit is ran. The lender does not need your phone number to actually run your credit, believe it or not. Some lenders may say, no, I really need that, but just so you know, it's not needed. You don't have to send your phone number in on an application to actually run your credit. All that's needed for credit to be ran on the application is address, full name, date of birth, and social. Those four things. So if you don't have your phone number in the information that the bureau receives, well, guess what? They don't have a phone number to give all their telemarketer clients. You see where I'm going with this? Now keep in mind, this is something that we do as a common practice, but if you don't work with us and you work with another lender, just simply ask them, hey, please don't include my phone number when you're running my credit. Or better yet, just work with us. Would like to remind everybody that as a broker, we have the ability to work with multiple mortgage lenders. We can shop rates for you, ultimately find the best deal from a variety of wholesale lenders and bring that package to you. And when we're running credit, all we're doing is putting the information that's needed to get the credit, not your phone number. That way you don't get blown up after we've gone through that process. Told you the information would be helpful. Now you don't have to unlike the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And I will see you on the next video. Take care and God bless.